Okay. Now, where did you find these eggs,
Tootsie
Sebastian?
Rolls.
Wow.
Tell Grandma where you found the eggs. Where'd you find all the Easter eggs?
I know.
Nothing in there?
An empty one?
Oh, maybe this one. Oh, this one has something. Help, please.
Help.
Help, please. Bubbles.
More bubbles? Wow.
He has 8, 9 bubbles. Bubbles.
Can you say Happy Easter?
Tell Grandma what the Easter Bunny's gonna do. Oh, what does the Easter Bunny eat? He eats a carrot? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, eats carrots, yeah.